Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is the chapter that we will cover today. It's called The Good and the Services. It's on page number 36 of your textbook. Let's begin the chapter with the first slide that will tell us the difference between good and the services. Goods are objects that can be sold, bought, and used. These are the actual objects that can be seen and touched. For instance, rice, fish, oil, books, etc. etc. On the other side, we have services. That means work done by the people for others. They are also sold like goods, but examples are nursing, cleaning, serving in the banks, shop, etc. etc. Here we have some examples of the good and the services. Like first one is an example of a good, grapes. The next two are the examples of the services, fire brigade and the nursing. Next we have some examples of the goods like pen and the t-shirt. Next we have some examples of the services like waiter and the teacher. And the last two are the examples of the goods, ball and the pizza. Next topic is the services and the communication. It's on page number 37. Communication means to pass on the news or information to others. For example, if your teacher is talking to you and you are listening, that means you both are communicating with each other. These are the few examples of the communication. Number one is the letter and the emails. Number two is the phones used for the speaking and the texting. Number third one is the social media such as the Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, etc. etc. The fourth example is of radio and the TV, and the last one example is of newspaper and the magazine. Next up topic is the community services. It's on page number 38. Community means a group of people who share something in common. Government help us by providing special services for everyone in the community, like doctor, firefighters, teachers, police officers, city workers. Let's read these one by one. Number one is the police. Police help to keep us safe. They make sure that everyone obeys the rule of the country, and these rules are known as the laws. If people break the law, for instance by stealing, police will find the thief and arrest them. After police we have hospital. Hospital treat the people who are ill or have been in an accident. Doctors and nurses look after them to get better. After hospital we have the fire brigade. Firefighters put out the fires. Their work can be very dangerous, but they help save the people's life. Next we have school. School teach children to read and write. It's important that all children go to the school so they can lead a good, purposeful lives. After the school we have the city government. City government looks after the place where we live. They provide services such as the water, sewage treatment, road repairs, and keep parks and the street clean. On the left side you can see the few examples of the city governments. Next we have money. People work in order to earn money so they can buy the good and the services. Most of the people keep their money in a bank account where it's safe. Money can be taken out of the account when it's needed. It can be taken out in the cash form from the bank or from the ATM. Let's do the recap of this chapter. The things that we have learned till yet. Good are the objects that can be sold, bought, and used. On the other side, services are the work done by the people for a price. People work in order to earn money so that they can buy the good and the services. And money can be kept safely in a bank. Communication means to pass on the news or any kind of the information by speaking or writing. And the last point of this chapter is the government provides special services which includes police, hospital, fire brigades, and schools. Thanks for watching.